Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. So it's been a little while since I've recorded anything. I was out of the country for a week and then we started some really busy time at work, and I actually had pneumonia for the whole week last week. So I'm a little bit behind. It's good to be almost back to 100%. But today I've got a product from EVBase that they sent me that I'm going to show you all how to install, show you what it looks like, and hope you enjoy the video. Let's get into it. All right, so this is what we've got. This is what the box looks like. They're called Threshold Welcome Lights. Essentially, what they are, it's these acrylic pieces. They've got some design, kind of a texture on the top, and there's a laser cut through that top portion. Laser cut Cybertruck logo that the lights will shine through. You've got your front door sill piece and your back door sill piece, because there's different sizes of those door bottoms, and then they are USB-C rechargeable right there, and you've got your on-off button. If you hold this, see that pops on, kind of blue. I've got it right now set to pretty close what the accent light color is, and that's probably the way I'll leave mine. I don't want them to be too flashy. It's pretty flashy as it is, but you can make them do all kind of stuff, and I'll flip through the options once we get them in there. You just hold it again to turn it off. It does have a sensor. When you close your door, they auto turn off. But anyway, I'm gonna get the camera set up, and basically I'm just gonna start out just wiping these door sills down to get a good sealing surface for these adhesives. All right, so I just got a towel, put a little bit of water on it. I'm just gonna clean this to get any loose dirt off. And as you can see, even though it looked pretty clean, there's just a lot of stuff that gets on this. In this packet that came with it, there are some little, what they call primer adhesive promoter. I think it's probably just an alcohol wipe, basically, just to make sure that the surface is completely degreased and free of anything that might prevent the adhesive from sticking. So I'll take one of these. And yeah, that's smells like it's got a little bit more than just alcohol in it. I don't know if it's got some kind of mild solvent. Not taking this finish off, but I'll take that towel and just kind of wipe off any excess there. Make sure it's good and dry. Now it should be primed. Stick this on there. Like I mentioned, it is just a two-sided adhesive, like a 3M type strip. As you can see on the back, so these little strips just slide to the side and they'll pop off. So you can install it with them on here to make sure they're all lined up just right. But when it comes time to recharge it, which they should last for a while, there's little LEDs that turn off when the door's shut. But you can just slide the whole strip to the side, pop it off, go plug it in when you need to. Just makes it nice and easy. So we're gonna get this one attached, and we'll turn it on, show you what it looks like. That'll be pretty much it. Short and sweet today. Yeah, let's get her stuck on there. Just gonna do kind of a test fit, so sort of where we want to put it, and I'm just gonna kind of eyeball it based on where this fixed piece is. Just try to get kind of an even amount of overhang on each side. So about right there looks pretty good. So I'm just gonna make sure those are fully seated over to the side. I'm gonna peel the red sticky paper off of there. Get this lined up right about there. And then just push down, pretty even pressure on both sides. Just make sure it's a good seal. And that's it, that's on there. I'll show you if you were gonna pop it off of there, you just slide it and then pop it off. And then when you're ready to put it back on, it just mates back up to those little slots, and then a slight slide to the side, just like that, and you're back on. And then to turn it on, you just long press that button, and that's what it looks like. And if you cycle through the options, you just single press. You got all the different color options in solids, and then it'll go through all kinds of crazy stuff. It's like the full back and forth cycling. You've got more of a slow cycle, a fast cycle, some different colors going in there. Cycling through that way. Got the long fill. Really a lot of different choices there. Here's one that just fades from color to color. And then back to your solids. Again, I think I kind of like just the subtle blue, which matches my interior ambient lights. The back ones mount exactly the same. They just have one strip instead of two. All right, well, that about wraps it up. Y'all remember to go check out EVBase. That's EVBase.com. They've got a lot of accessories for both Teslas and other EVs as well. Use my coupon code SpaceNerd for a discount there on their website. And yeah, see you on the next one.